Assalamualaikum to everyone. This is Bhima Education. My name. I am 30 years old, the student of High School Online Academy Foundation Level Batch 6. And today I am to talk about the TEDx talk of Ashir Hassan. And the TEDx talk topic is a message of peace from Pakistan. So let's start. Ashir Hassan is a social entrepreneur, founder of Niyat one hybrid social enterprise that provide low-income families access to affordable quality healthcare. He was at India follow and delivered this talk, My Message of Peace from Pakistan. Though the original talk is 4 minutes long, the ideas in it can be expanded to reflect on peace, identity, and shared humanity. Hassan begins by greeting the audience in multiple languages. Names Salam, Rum Sri Akal, signaling respect, connection, and a bridging of cultures. He highlights how Pakistan is often misunderstood. In international media, many people see only conflict, terrorism, exaggerations, but he wants to present another side, the everyday voices, hopes, and colors from Pakistanis. He uses photographs of ordinary Pakistani lays, children playing artisans, market spaces of hope to remind listeners that beneath headlines there is human life. Hassan discussed how for many outside Pakistan, Tan is seen as a place for threat, tension, and fear, but those images are incomplete. He argues that fear often arises from ignorance, that people don't know about a country, its people, their daily struggles and joys. And he challenges audience to look beyond disputes to political, religious, geographic, and to see what connect us shared human need, aspiration, vulnerabilities using visuals and great notes. Hassan introduces several individuals. Meher, a girl wanting to be caring for stray animals in her remote village. Kailash creating art in colored glass, bringing beauty and livelihood in local communities. May internally displaced from Sawat, reflecting on borders, identity, and belonging. Man, model from Lahore, wanting to be seen beyond her appearance. Ahmed, an Afghan refuge, hoping to light up the world despite coming from darkness. Hassan Peace beyond politics. Hassan shifts to a discussion to peace, not peace as absence of conflict, but peace as understanding, relation, trust. He suggests that true peace comes when we allow dialogue, empathy, storytelling to replace suspicion. He argues that peace must begin locally in villages, streets, neighborhoods where people interact, share, learn. He also notes that business, health, education, these everyday systems matter to peace because inequality and suffering can fuel conflict. Hassan acknowledges that such regions face obstacles, skepticism, political resistance, resources scarcity, systematic inertia. He shares personal motivation, how seeing health disparities moved him from a technical or business career into social impact. He emphasizes that change in cumulative incremental improvement and persistence resilience. In his closing, Hassan challenged just the audience when you see a country know only for its negatives, seek the positives, recognize the stories you don't hear, encourage people to interact across divides, build relationships beyond use their voice to reframe narratives. Sports system that uplift health, education, social enterprise, not just media sound bites. He ends with optimism. If he can shift perception, we can shift reality. Thank you very much.